Alright, so guys, there's this asshole outside of my house. As you can tell, running his truck. Okay, no big deal. But he's been running it for about 2 hours, so he's pissing me off. As you can tell, guys, I am not getting any sleep. I am not getting any sleep off of this. And so I know exactly who this is, but this guy's a huge douche. That's, like I said, it's 2:30 in the freaking morning. But so I'm not gonna open the front door because I'm gonna wake up my parents and my sisters and my 6-year-old brother, because we have an alarm system. So bear with me here. I'm gonna try to find out. It might not be who I think it is, so I'm gonna try to find out who it is. Come on, guys, stick it with me. Oh, a little side note, I'm working on some gameplay right now. But beside one, there's this douchebag outside of here. See the car? That's the car right there. Yeah, like I said, this guy is being a huge fucking douche. And it's hard for most of us to sleep. I can tell I'm tired. Up those stairs is my bedroom. And if I can hear from up there, when the fucking truck's way down there, that's a problem. As you can tell, my fucking hair's a mess and shit. I will make another video tomorrow morning. Not tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon on my way to myself, okay? What? Until next time, this is a phenomenal one, and I'm out.